Hello beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. I'm back with another video and today I'm taking your request, and yeah, that is what I am doing today. I always love to look at the comment section, and obviously your wish is my command. So I'm back here with another video, and today we are going to be looking at the one bedroomed house in this location. This house is located in Pangani shopping center, and yeah, let's go and have a look. Once you get into the house, this is the living room area. It's a one bedroomed house, and that's how it looks on the inside. You have a window there, and that's the entrance door. Just with the basics, it has a curtain rod. I don't know what the other tenant who was here before did with the rods. Again, they are just thrown there in the balcony, but as you can tell, the house is also being renovated for the new tenant who is going to come in. After the sitting room, then the next room, just adjacent here, is the bedroom, and this is the wardrobe there. It's quite spacious for a one bedroomed house. And then this is the window again on this side. That's the inside of the wardrobe, which is a little bit partitioned. I think you can do the folding on some bits, and the others then you can hang your clothes. And then moving into this direction, when you come in here, you find the washroom. It has a separate washroom and a bathroom, which is also important because you can use these differently, which is a plus. And then we have the mirror and the hand wash basin here. The color scheme here is blue for the hand wash basin and the toilet. This is the bathroom. It's a pretty basic bathroom, which is tiled, and then you have the towel hooks right there. Then you have that bulb, and then you can just put in your instant shower. Is the soap holder, and yeah, it's a basic bathroom. Then coming into this direction, this is the small kitchen, and actually for a one bedroomed house, I think it's not a small kitchen, it's quite a spacious kitchen. It has some shelf. I think that's a shelf up there. And then this is the door for the balcony, and this is the kitchen counters where the sink area is. It's being renovated for the next tenant coming in, as you can tell. And then those are the kitchen shelves. They are pretty decent, and yeah, it's well lighted up kitchen with lots of space. And then this tiny balcony here on this side, and then you also have the hooks where you're going to hang in your clothes, that direction, and then this side. And that's the view when you're out there on the balcony. As you can see, the house was being painted and a lot of renovations were being done there at the sink area in the kitchen, and also cleaning was being done also at the moment I was viewing the house. The doors, the locks are pretty decent, and this is this other side of the building. This house is a 1-bedroomed house, and the rent for the month is 30,000 Kenya shillings. You pay the deposit for 30,000 Kenya shillings again, and then you pay the deposit for water. Electricity is being paid via tokens. They have borehole and they have city water connections. They also have internet. They have Zuku and they have Safaricom internet, and they also have connection for the TV. So those are the basic amenities that are also being offered. So if you need connection for any of those services, then they are readily available. This is also another view of another 1-bedroomed house. They are pretty the same, it's just the theme that is changing of the sinks and the tiling. Like this one has more of the white tiling on the walls. This is the living room area for another 1-bedroom. I think they're similar in space. Those are the sockets. Moving into that direction on the right, that's the bedroom, pretty much like the one I've shown you. And then the kitchen counters and drawers are the same, and those are the kitchen countertops, the sink area, and then the door to the balcony again. The good thing with this house is like the bathrooms, the toilet, the kitchen, the sitting room, they are all well lighted up. And that's the tiny balcony again on this side. This is the view when you are outside on the balcony or this side of the kitchen. And then a place where you can put your bulb there. Then some more shelves here. So yes, that's basically how this house is. And if you'd like to see the other reviews that I did for the 2-bedroomed house and the bedsitter in the same building, check the description bar below. I'm going to link them up. Also remember that this house is also being serviced by a lift, and it goes up to 13 floors, but it's very clean and it's quiet. I think it's a reasonable place, and it's very near to many social amenities. There's also sufficient parking space for the residents. I hope to see you on the next one. See you guys, and let me know what you think. Bye bye.